With 1,500 horsepower as the minimum requirement, these machines redefine speed and performance. These are machines designed not just to drive, but to break records, leave jaws on the floor, and redefine the meaning of speed. They combine beauty, power, and rarity. Hold on tight, because I'm about to introduce you to some of the most powerful machines ever made. Let's dive in. Now, let's get straight to what you came here for. The hypercars that push the limits of what's possible. These machines don't just dominate the road. They're engineering marvels, created for those who live life in the fast lane, both figuratively and literally. From limited production runs to jaw-dropping price tags, each one of these hypercars is a masterpiece in its own right. So, without further ado, let's meet the legends that redefine speed, starting with our first contender. But before we continue, you need to know some of statistics achieved by using E85 fuel, which means an ethanol blend consisting of 85% ethanol and 15% gasoline. The Koenigsegg Regera is a hybrid masterpiece with only 80 units ever produced. This Swedish hypercar boasts 1,797 horsepower, powered by a twin-turbocharged 5-liter V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors. With a price tag of $2.74 million and a top speed of 249 miles per hour, the Regera is a true collector's item, reserved for the elite few who crave both speed and exclusivity. With only 30 units produced, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus broke records by becoming the first production car to exceed 300 miles per hour. Its 1,580 horsepower W16 engine, 8-liter quad-turbocharged, propelled it to an insane 304 miles per hour, securing Bugatti's place in the history books. This rare hypercar, priced at $3.9 million, is a symbol of extreme performance and exclusivity. Limited to just 40 units, the Bugatti Divo is a track-oriented version of the Chiron. Its 1,479 horsepower comes from the same 8-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, allowing it to reach a top speed of 236 miles per hour. With its advanced aerodynamics and a price of $5.8 million, the Divo was sold out before it was even revealed. It's a multi-award winning design for pushing the limits of engineering and performance. If you're enjoying the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. An American speed demon, the Hennessey Venom F5 is designed to challenge speed records. With only 24 units being produced, it packs 1,817 horsepower from a twin-turbocharged 6.6-liter V8 engine with a top speed of 311 miles per hour. Priced at $2.1 million, it's become a highly coveted hypercar for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Limited to 150 units, the Pininfarina Battista is an all-electric hypercar with 1,900 horsepower produced by 4 electric motors, 1 at each wheel. It accelerates to 60 miles per hour in just 1.89 seconds. This $2.2 million beauty showcases the future of luxury electric vehicles and has won multiple awards for both performance and design. The SSC Tuatara, with just 100 planned units, is one of the most exclusive hypercars. Its 1,750 horsepower comes from a twin-turbocharged 5.9-liter V8 engine, and it briefly held the title of the fastest production car in the world, with a top speed of 331 miles per hour. Priced at $1.6 million, This American-built speed machine continues to challenge the limits of what's possible on the road. The Aspark Owl is a futuristic, all-electric hypercar from Japan, limited to 50 units. It features 4 electric motors, delivering a combined 1,953 horsepower and a blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 1.9 seconds. At $2.7 million, the Owl has earned recognition for its groundbreaking performance and design. Limited to 125 units, the Koenigsegg Jesko is a Swedish hypercar designed for both track and road use. It boasts 1,600 horsepower from a twin-turbocharged 5-liter V8 engine, reaching a top speed of 300 miles per hour. Priced at $3 million, the Jesko has received high praise for its advanced engineering and stunning performance. With only 150 units, the Rimac Nevera is an all-electric hypercar that sets new standards for electric performance. Its 1,888 horsepower is delivered by 4 electric motors, allowing it to hit 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, with a top speed of 256 miles per hour. Priced at $2.1 million, the Nevera has been awarded for its innovation and technological breakthroughs. The Lotus Evija is a British all-electric hypercar limited to 130 units. With a staggering 2,012 horsepower from 4 electric motors, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds and boasts a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Priced at $2.3 million, the Evija combines raw power with cutting-edge technology, earning accolades for its design and engineering excellence. The Koenigsegg Gemera HV8 is a 4-seater hybrid hypercar limited in production. It has a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine paired with 3 electric motors, delivering a combined 2,300 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, with a top speed of 248 miles per hour. Priced at $2.6 million, the Gemera is a blend of practicality and hypercar performance. Limited to just 40 units, the Bugatti Bolide is a track-focused hypercar with 1,578 horsepower from its 8-liter quad-turbo W16 engine. It has a top speed of 311 miles per hour and is priced at $4 million. The Bolide is celebrated for its radical design and extreme performance, cementing its place among the most extreme Bugattis ever built. Expected to be produced in limited numbers, the Bugatti Tourbillon will feature a 1,775 horsepower W16 engine and a top speed of 277 miles per hour. With a price tag of $4.6 million, it's one of the most anticipated hypercars of the future, combining unmatched performance with Bugatti's timeless luxury. This is the table of these hypercars statistics. That wraps up the 1,500 horsepower club. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.